guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a kit from one of the best Gundam series that I watched. And after watching that series, I was crying because the protagonist died one by one, and I know you have a clue of what I'm talking about and why I have these two flags here. Flag of Saudi Arabia and flag of Germany. Because the theme song of that anime series is "Raise your flag, my flag ceremony, my flag ceremony, my flag ceremony, raise your flag, my flag ceremony, my flag ceremony, my flag ceremony." I know what I'm singing and talking about here, so let's go to the Gundam BARBATOS from the Iron-Blooded Orphans anime series. So whenever I see this box and the kit, I am singing that "Raise Your Flag" because I really like this anime. I really like the storyline of this kit because it was brutal, it's natural, and it's matured story from the Gundam line. I like Iron-Blooded Orphans more than the Witch from Mercury, to be honest, because I don't like that Witch from Mercury. So now let's build this kit. So the box art here shows Gundam BARBATOS fighting Grunt Suit here, and the look of this box art is really brutal, dramatic, and very nice, action-packed. See? BARBATOS sliced this Grunt Suit with his iron mace, and I want to make this a poster in my room. I'll preserve this box art and make this my poster. And in the side of the box, we can see the Gundam BARBATOS pose, iconic pose here, the front view and rear view. And what I like from this kit, you can put all its weapon on itself. You can hang the rifle and the sword on its back and let him hold the giant mace here. And then we can see the action pose of BARBATOS doing that mace pouncing on the ground. And we can see the inner frame, cool inner frames of this BARBATOS. And it's not that typical frame from, not the same from the previous Gunpla series or models, because Iron-Blooded Orphans model kit have a different frame than the usual, the typical. So we have here the BARBATOS wielding its mace. It has here the weapon sets here, the mace, the sword, and the Dober gun, or the bore gun, or the rifle itself. And the kit itself, the actual kit, straight build. So let's open the box to see what's inside. So inside we can see the instruction manual, same as the box art, and it has a cool looking background here, black framing, and the Tekadan logo on top. You can see some storyline here. It's translated also in English, so I will not get bored from reading this story from the Galahorn, something like that, and whatsoever. And frames, the runners here, and the typical assembly. And at the center of the instruction manual, we can see this Gundam BARBATOS pose, stabbing pose by using his sword, and some poses here. And we have here the pilot and the weapons. Okay. So the back portion of the instruction manual is the Gundam BARBATOS front view. So we go to the contents. We have this pack here, colorful runners. So I assume this is runner A. Then we have this clear pink parts, black runners, and bronze colored runners. We have here brown runner for the gun, and white runners, black runners, white runners, another black runners, silver runner, and black colored runners. So it has too much runners included. So as usual, I will review first the runners before we do the kit itself. So we have here the colorful A runner. No, it's E. Runner E. Colorful E runner. So for the first time, it's not the A runner. It's the runner E. With this multicolored runners here. Red, yellow, white, and clear green piece here. We have runner H for the clear pink pieces here. We have some bronze colored runner here, the D2 runners. We have here black colored runners for the blades and the mace parts. So it's the J1 runner. B runner here, we have black parts. Metallic black parts for the inner frame. We have another B runner, so two B runners. We have here runner A2 for the hand parts and inner frames, and A1 runner here for inner frames. We have here two G runners for accessories, I think. And we have a D1 runner for the piston parts. We have gray runners or dark gray runner for the C1 runner. We have here C1 and C2 runners. And another mace parts, J2 runner. We have brown. I'm surprised that there is a brown colored runner here for the gun, the rifle. And white runners. This is the F2 runner. We have I1 runner, blue colored runners here. And the last runner we have is the F1 runner for the white parts. We have here decal sheets. So these are stickers, decal stickers with the Tekkadan logo. I like this Tekkadan logo. And I miss Orga Itsuka. That's my favorite character there, the leader of the Tekkadan, Mr. Orga. Peace be upon him. And this foil stickers for the Barbatos. I think this is for the eyes, and I don't know which part is this. Maybe let's see. We'll see. So it has only two foil stickers. So raise your flag, and we will do this kit now. I miss Orga Itsuka.